Nna ya ukwu iji nyere gị aka maka ikwuola na ya nwa ekwukwala ịma na asị nwa mmadụ emegbula nwa mmụọ emegbu nwala mmadụ. Isi ikwu ihe gwara Igbo niile n'ebe a ndị ọkaikpe ụfọdụ asịla gị si gbaa ya akwụkwọ, mana gị nwekwuola dịka nna ndị Igbo na ọ bụghị mbọsị nwata wụfuru ogiri akwụ ka a na-akụ ya ihe. O nwekwara nụ ihe o kwuru n'ọnụ ya nke anyị nwa jikwa. M ga-achọ ka anyị were nkeji abụọ, anyị agaghị egecha ya, mana ka anyị were nkeji abụọ nụ ihe ya nwa ji ọnụ ya wee kwu. Biko na ụmụ Igbo geenụ ntị.
Greetings to all good people of Igbo race at home, in Nigeria, and all over the world. My name is Dr. Hafod Ilamozo Ugwu, a native of Isuawa, in Ogloko government area of Enugu State, a retired television officer, social reformer, and media consultant. This is my rejoinder to the cartridge headline that says, Igbo or Ohaneze, begging Fulani for forgiveness. Narrator regrets statement, says it was a slip of tongue, and requests correction by Professor Basiwe. All this started at 2:20 a.m. of Thursday, 2nd May 2024. A distress call woke me up from sleep, and Basiwe started a narration of how his phone was hacked, and people were using the contact in his phone to demand for money. That they used my number to request for 200,000 naira from him. After that, he asked me a question, Keleko Bodode. I laughed. Just someone from deep sleep. What crossed my mind was the event that took place on the 27th of March 2024 at Old Government Lodge by Ohaneze Ndi Igbo. The Ohaneze Ndi Igbo retreat, titled Akobu Ije. Rear Admiral Alsi Madeke was the chairman, and the 7 Igbo-speaking governors were invited. What I picked on that event was that the crucial nature of that program, every leader in in all Igbo-speaking states ought to be in honor bound to be in that program. So I narrated to Obasigwe that of all the 7 governors invited, it was only the executive governor of Enugu State that sent his deputy. He picked that one as number 1. Number 2, that of all the committees that presented papers, that there was a peace building committee. I expounded on that peace building committee, and during my explanations, I made a slip that Igbo were meant to go to the Fulani and apologize for the casualty of January 1966, casualty of the coup. This whole event, as I was narrating, Obasigwe cut in to request that this discussion is of great Igbo interest and should qualify for circulating, all over. He knew I am of the habit of circulating information, especially video clips of social reform testimonies across Igbo nation.